All right, so lab 10, regular expressions.
This is the last one, right?
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 No, perfect. Right? That was beautiful. Do you want another one?
No.
I think the general consensus is no.
Well, why? Have they really been that bad?
Yes.
We just got a lot going on right now.
Yeah,
Like,
we got
you
a lot
need to
right
talk to
now.
Lynn. He thinks that you give us 20 labs, and now he wants to give us more work. Each week, we got homework, lab, and group project.
Oh yeah.
And his homework is like 6 pages, labs are like 6 pages, and group, I haven't even looked at that part yet. I think it's only 2 pages this week, but still.
Yeah, I didn't do part 3 of that project. Just-
Yeah, so this is lab 10, which chances are, unless I have have a bad weekend and I feel particularly evil, this will probably be your last one.
Okay.
Great.
So, yeah, and then I guess next week we'll just be reviewing.
And catching up on all the other labs that we
Catching
haven't
up-
done.
Oh, wow. See, this class is not meant to be that bad. So come on, guys, just do the work. All right, part 1, implement a function, part 1 match. By the way, I haven't set up the autograder for this. I know. Inside of a class regex lab that returns a match for everything in the positive column and false for everything in the negative column. Note, I'll be testing other examples, so you do need to decipher the regex from these examples. All right? So come up with a regex that matches what's on the left, but does not match what's on the right. And don't brute force it. You know, don't make a list of these 4 on the left. No.
Yes,
It's not going to work. Make sure it's actually a regex.
Curse you.
All right, part 2, implement a function strong password. You've probably seen this before. That takes a string and confirms the following: 1 lowercase and 1 uppercase letter, 2 numbers, 1 of the following characters, and is at least 8 characters long. Fair warning. While this can be done with 1 regex, actually after today it's probably not that bad now that you know about grouping with the parentheses and all that. Yeah, this can be done with 1 regex. You can use 3 different ones and run 3 different regexes and see if it matches each of those 3.
For the one of the following, you have to like write a regex that will
Yeah.
have every one of the
Yeah.
Okay.
The last one does not need a regex. I hope you can tell. Just gonna throw that out there.
Oh, sure. So can it be any combination?
Yes.
Okay.
Any combination of
So
those.
it can be anywhere in it, not like
Right. That's why you may want to have 3 separate regexes. But we just talked about parentheses and or, so you actually can do it in one fairly easily. But if you need to have 3 separate ones, that's perfectly fine. I'm not going to. This is not scripting or a heavy-duty regex class. We just need to get you exposed. All right. Lastly, design and implement a function sum of doubles in the class that takes a string and returns the sum of all double values in the sentence. For this lab, a double must have a decimal point. So, for example, if I have a sentence, what is 3.25 plus 8.87? That should return 12.12. All right? This sentence just has a bunch of numbers in it. All right, I just summed them all up. And then the last one, 10, not going to count because it doesn't have a decimal point. Same thing with 78,901, no decimal point. Let's see, W3.45 should not match because it starts with a letter, and yeah, we're good to go. So it should be the same sum because I've just added a bunch of randomness in it that should not parse. A hint, and you don't have to do it this way, there's actually other ways that might be better. First, split the sentence up via spaces. I think we talked about string tokenizer at one point, or you can do the whole matching thing we just talked about earlier in class. And then try to regex each one as a double. If it matches, convert it, and then add it to the sum. All right, that's it. Any other questions?
Alice.
Oh, okay. I was like, is that Resident Evil? That'd be cool. Any other questions? Do a week from today. And then that following Monday, we have class presentations. And then on the 27th, I believe, is our final exam. At, is it 8 o'clock in the morning? Yeah. Monday.
project's due the 27th.
Projects
The
are,
code is due.
the code's due the 27th. The presentations are due that Monday, which is the 25th or 24th? 24th?
Don't the presentation on Tuesday, because it's 26th.
Oh yeah, so it's the 25th.
You want us to make a video for it, right?
No, you're coming up here.
Oh, okay. I
Well,
thought we had to make a video.
I recommend making a video of your program working that you
Oh.
display.
Do you mean Tuesday? 'Cause we don't have the class on Monday.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Whatever Tuesday is. Is that the 25th?
25th.
Yeah, 25th. That sounds great.
I was kind of confused for a second, so we don't have class on Mondays.
Sure, whatever. 25th, Tuesday. Lynn thinks No, the only class that gets a huge workload is data structures.
Yeah.
All right, anything else? All right, well, you have the rest of it for lab time, and yeah, I'll be here. Have a good weekend.